Okay, I just wanted to make a brief video to give you just a general overview of the course, and I'm going to show you kind of a walkthrough of what you should expect for each unit and each chapter. So this video itself can be found under this course orientation video module. So I will link this to the YouTube video of this exact video, just kind of walking you through. So that way, if you want to circle back and watch this again before the course starts, you are welcome to do so. So the course information tab here, this is just going to have a few different kind of administrative tabs. It has a link for our textbooks, some different course policies, some stuff about me, and some of a variety of things there. So please check that out to start with. You have your syllabus and course expectations document provided by the college itself. That's found there. And then here's a course schedule of what to expect for our timeline this semester. You'll see Unit 1 will be available to you to start with, but for our example unit, I chose to build out Chapter 7. So for each unit, you'll see for this particular one, we have 3 chapters, and it has a brief introduction just to give you a general idea of what you should expect in that unit. So each chapter will have its own lesson or page dedicated to it. And so if I navigate to Chapter 7 here, once again, when I go to my home page for the module, you can see we have a brief introduction of what we are going to discuss. So make sure you read that. Sometimes there may be a video or another activity associated with that introduction. And then the bulk of it, or kind of your course homepage or chapter homepage, is going to be right here. So you'll see Chapter 7 is our muscular system. So each chapter kind of goes through a different system in the body. And so the actual topic and content will change, of course, as we go through, but the general layout of each page will look relatively similar. So you scroll down here, you'll see you have some readings. You'll see some links to your textbook here that cover those same topics. As we continue down, you'll see every single subsection will have the textbook links to your corresponding readings for that week. So you should be reading this material here within your course, and you should also be looking at your e-text as well. You'll also have a listen or watch or both every single week. So you'll always have a recorded lecture, which is myself doing a bit more talking about the different topics within the course, and that'll be following along with your slides that you will be provided. Oftentimes I will try to find a video that is kind of a summary or different topics within our chapter on YouTube, so that you have a different way to digest that information and you're not just reading or hearing it from me. So in this case, we have a YouTube video here to watch that helps reinforce the topics for our chapter. Not every single chapter will we have a lab, but sometimes you will have a virtual lab. This takes place within Connect. So we discussed, and we will discuss further, the Connect feature of your textbook, but we have a lot of virtual labs available to us. So we will have a virtual lab to complete. So there's a link down there to that. Those will take place throughout the semester and are graded. And then at the bottom, you'll see a summary and conclusion section, and may ask you to do another activity as a bit of a wrap up. And typically that will be where we summarize what we discussed as our main points in the chapter and have some kind of wrap up activity or what's next to look for.